wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best stocking donners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. After all the trouble you've gone through to find large stockings, you shouldn't have to settle for a model designed only for small pairs. The Medi Big Butler features 18-inch tall handles and 6-inch wide calf openings for those with broader legs. It feels stable during use, however it is pricier than similar items, and it could use better instructions. At number 9, the Juzo Slippie Gator has several things going for it besides its memorable name. For one thing, it's got sturdy pull tabs that are easy to use, and for another, it comes with a highly useful slip-proof pad that can be used for other things too. It includes a storage bag and works with open toes, but it still requires a lot of bending. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Truform Large has an angled heel guide, making it helpful to individuals who need to remain seated when they put on their stockings and those who don't have the ability to point their toes. Unfortunately, it can be difficult to get a stocking over the posts. It's equipped with a corrosion-resistant vinyl coating and an extremely strong frame. However, the base can slide when using it. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for stocking donners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you struggle more with friction when putting on your gear than with the bending and pulling, then you may find the sigvaris magnide on and off works for you. It boasts a coating that reduces resistance in order to make the whole process easier. It sports a bright blue color and closes via magnets, but note that this one's not good for open toe pairs. Moving up our list to number 6. The sock horse can be a major help thanks to a handle that's longer than those on many other models. It's been designed so that its plastic doesn't touch your skin too much, so it doesn't irritate those with sensitivity issues. Its rubber grips are delicate on fabrics and it's lightweight at less than half a pound. However, this one is best with regular socks. Halfway up our list at number 5. Some models can slip around, but not the stockeez assistance kit. It boasts a hook on the base that latches onto the leg of standard chairs, ensuring that it stays in place while you use it. Its sliding handle is tall in order to save you from too much bending. It comes in your choice of medium or large, and it's not too heavy for its size, but its warranty at 30 days is pretty short. At number 4, if you've lost one too many compression socks to the dryer monster and spend most of your budget replacing them, then you'll appreciate the low cost of the jobst steel frame. It has 2 non-slip pads that give your hands a secure grip as you pull on your hosiery. It includes a rounded heel slot and is made in the USA. However, the handles are on the short side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the sigvaris doff and donner combo pack is not a conventional choice, but once you try it you may become a convert. It's perhaps the most comfortable of its kind, though you'll probably need to watch some of the company's online videos to learn how to use it properly. It comes with a cone applicator and also works for arm sleeves. It allows for rapid use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for stocking donners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, about as simple a solution as you can get, the Jobst Complete Medical Donning Gloves have a blue latex coating to provide a good grip when putting on and smoothing compression socks and stockings. They come in 2 sizes, small and large. These aren't too expensive and are made mostly with cotton. They help with removal too. And taking the top spot on our list, many options require you to bend forward uncomfortably, but the RMS Stockeez Deluxe boasts an ample length of 38 inches for both the cords and shell, which eliminates that hassle. Its padded handles make it comfortable to use too. The length is adjustable and a foam pad prevents slippage. It's good for pregnant users. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for stocking donners, or simply click beneath this video.